Group hug.
Here we go, boys.
Group hug.
This is a message from the emergency broadcast.
Look it!
It's going up.
Guys, it's okay. I'm fat enough to hold you down.
Woo!